Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Brijesh Khanna with us from Solex. A very warm welcome to EQ.
Thank you very much.
Can you just let us know about Solex, like how it came into the solar industry and it's been how much long you're in the solar industry itself?
See, we are a 3-decade-old company. This year we are celebrating our 30 years in the industry. In 1995, we started with wood-fired water heaters and slowly ventured into, expanded our operations in Gujarat, then further to pan-India. We are the first, one of the first module manufacturers in India. We started module manufacturing in 2007. Though we were mostly using that module production for our in-house or captive consumption. And we are a publicly listed company. We went public in 2018. In 2021, we installed our first module manufacturing unit, which was catering to public in general and to the IPPs and developers in India in general. And that was a 700 megawatt monoperk facility. Today we can proudly say that we are a 4 gigawatt manufacturing facility, and we are manufacturing all current updated products, including TopCon. Our flagship product remains this 585 watt pigtail.
This is for the REI 2025 year.
This is our maximum selling product right now. But for specific REI 2025, we have brought something new to India. It's not REI, we are new to India. Yesterday we launched our first prototype of TRC, we call it TAPI rear contact module. It's a rear contact module being displayed there. And the specific USPs of that product is there are no bus bars in the front. So we get more, the sunlight absorption is more and the output of that product is higher as compared to even TopCon.
And how you have planned the distribution for that model?
We already have current channels for it. We have right now, you can say, established distributors in place. Our main target would remain the developers and IPPs for that, because more output is gained at that. We can go up to 665 watt with that rear contact module. So it will be a product mostly targeted at IPP and developers because they want to utilize the land capacity to give more megawatts from the same area. So that's what our target segment currently would be. But that product would be available commercially only in the second half of 2026. It's a prototype and it's an upcoming technology for India. And you asked about what are our future roadmaps and vision. That includes our future roadmap vision. We are expanding to, as we are currently 4 gigawatt facility, we are expanding to 10 gigawatt of module manufacturing. And we'll be starting a 2 gigawatt cell manufacturing by 2027, first quarter of 2027. And we'll be reaching 10 gigawatt of cell by 2030. So our vision for 2030 is 10 gigawatt of cell and 10 gigawatt of module manufacturing.
That's great, sir. We wish all the best and all the luck to Solex for the coming year.
Thank you very much, and my wishes to EQ International.
Thank you so much, sir, for me.